We don't enter the last leg, for morning runs. And of course, now they are across the bridge with Lady JJ, they are San Peter one of Naija FM. Lady J, how far now? What's this up?
Are they alright? Are they okay?
How your side? You don't take since you even talk about this waka from your house to the office.
You don't take?
You don't take. Since I hear you talk about your waka to the office.
Well, waka today. No, the main traffic day, Third Mainland Bridge. Truthfully. If I did truthful to myself, the main traffic now from Third Mainland Bridge. Yes.
Okay. All right. You don't get any plans for the weekend yet before you even enter the other stuff. You don't waiting for your plans for, I said the weekend, the Christmas period, I mean.
I know it's Christmas now on Sunday. I know so we'll go get Christmas service, which I go for.
Okay.
Then after the service, I know so I go cook. I don't know who go one con chop. I know so I go give
your neighbors.
My neighbors, yes.
Okay. People don't ask me to say waiting be my plans for the week for the I don't know why they say weekend for the Christmas period. I say I never get yet because my grandmother now every December she do party. So she go kill goats and chicken. So most times we the grandchildren and even our children too, they always go outside every December. Sometimes they reach like December 23rd, sometimes 24th, to celebrate Christmas with her. So and now every Christmas in talks and that 25th she they had 1 year to her age.
Wow. Because
she don't remember a month.
Birthday.
Yes. So now every December 25th, our grandmother they talk say she they clock another year. Because she don't remember at all. She don't remember. I don't ask my mother too.
Now old age cost
say during their own time. I don't know if they keep records of age.
No, my mom remember her own.
How old is your mom?
My mom is in her 70s.
My grandmother is going to be 98.
And she don't remember.
She don't remember.
Wow.
She don't remember. So even as we the grandchildren, so they always ask our mom, say, how old be grandmother? Our grandma, she go see. I want to tell her, say, the moment December come, just to say grandma don't have another age. Because she herself, she don't know. So if you can't say, we can't know, say that 98. Now my grandmother can't go do, sorry, now my own mama can't go do research, go do the calculation. Because say very soon, so our grandmother go reach 100. She go soon reach 100. Say, but let's say like 98. Now she the clock this year. And another interesting thing about my grandmother, we say her teeth still complete. One teeth never come out from her mouth like this.
I don't do. You don't show us her.
I don't show you a video and picture before, right? And she yellow past me. If we see her skin, she still dey strong. She like to dey waka.
She like to make shakara.
What? She like shakara too. Say anytime we dey dance, our grandmother go say make we come off for dancing floor. Say she won't dance, say now she go win. We go dey do dancing competition with her.
Yeah, even at this age.
At this age,
wow.
She go dey dance, they shake her body, they shake. That's my grandmother. Very fine woman.
Yeah.
I just imagine how she be, when she did much younger. Because even now, I dey beef her skin color. Say, this woman.
I don't know what happened to me of recent. I don't know. Sometimes I go just sit down the and say, now for this life. I dey watch Coming to America on Sunday. Now I can't go YouTube, go they look the cast of Coming to America.
Yeah.
If you see us then young, fine.
That time.
Now compared to now. Most of them don't old well. Most of them still they old, still they age. I say, now for this life. Now so person go old one day.
I swear. So as I did now, anytime I go out, my mother they tell me say I don't the old.
Why she tell you they don't the old?
I know say now because of marriage.
Marriage, yes.
She will tell me say, you don't look different from the last time you said you go. I said, mommy, I don't look any different. I still look like this age. She go say, Oti darugbo. I will say I'm your darugbo. I never darugbo. You go say you don't the old. Go marry. You don't the old.
Now wow, make them they calm down. No.
I know say now why they tell me say the old.
We just marry because a lot of people. They inside marriages so they know one day because of say people their parents they pressure them marry. And most of when they say marry not because of say I see my grandchildren now sake of say then they feel embarrassed when they see their mates
Yeah.
And their mates' children don't marry,
exactly.
don't born.
They don't get grandchildren.
And then once they ask after, then they go say, it be like say they mock them. So they go come, they put that whole pressure
on the child,
and then the child go come make wrong choice. They inside marriage, and most of them go say, myself, I want show. I want show. They talk about Yoruba.
How did they TikTok? I want show for you.
I want show people say myself.
Now my
pikin want my pikin they marry.
Yeah, say pay or mommy not fetch like something like that.
Something of that nature. Say I beg, mommies and daddies. We know say una love us.
Abi?
And we know say una dey concerned about us, but I beg no pressures. Maybe we enter inside marriage. We will know one day, because
I also my mama and papa they listen since they love. Even like say my parents love Lady J past me, so I hope they listen to Lady J now.
Now the same una go they feel very bad. If una push una pikin enter inside toxic marriage, the wrong marriage. Now go they feel am. Now go they don't. Hey, now me push am. Oh, God, before you know it, regret. Before you know it happen, divorce. Now the same person where you they say I want you people say my pikin to feed marry. You go they shame to say. My pikin no did the marriage again. Yeah. So rather than say go push, see, pray say God go bring the right person. Because even if your pikin did that good marriage, did it with the right person, you said you go enjoy.
Yeah.
You go rub off on you. You go enjoy because the man or the woman go also take care of you.
Yeah, true.
I beg.
Still talking about relationships, talking about marriage. We know say this weekend DJ Cuppy actually come under different lashes. Why? Because they been dig out one video / picture of one influencer on TikTok and also other form of social media where the person do videos and pictures with the person we proposed to DJ Cuppy. You understand? So a lot of people actually they surprised that they feel go do that digging, and for that video and the picture you go see say the person we proposed to DJ Cuppy being there in another intimate relationship with this TikTok influencer. You go even see them getting all cozy, all intimate, and the rest of it. So people when they try to tell DJ Cuppy say this guy where you want marry. Now just last week this lady posts this video of her and him on social media. Say they don't try advise them. Say make sure they careful. Before she go fall into the wrong hands. But now that same yesterday DJ Cuppy come react after that video I come out for inside social media 8 days before he proposed to her. Now they see the guy with another woman. So now from there DJ Cuppy come reveal say now 25 days ago he actually meets the guy. This guy will propose to Ram. He said on November 19th, 2022, Rayan proposed to DJ Cuppy. Okay, he proposed to him for the Gumball 3000 driving rally. So now for that she can't talk say I can officially announce that I'm engaged. Only 25 days ago, during the Gumball 3000 driving rally, I met the love of my life. Sometimes you fall for the most unexpected person at the most unexpected time and for the most unexpected reason. I love you deep, Rayan Taylor.
Yeah. Wahala.
So now within 25 days. So when this one to come out, you get one lady we don't talk say. We can't talk say now after 4 days. After 4 days when she meets her own fiancé. After 4 days the guy to propose to her. So you say she they surprise say the DJ Cuppy on after 25 days. So I don't know for you now, because we be 2 women right now on top across the bridge. Which weeks or months they too short for a man to propose to you?
Wow. Okay.
For you.
For me. Yeah. Personally. If you meet me today, tell me say you want to marry me today.
Okay.
I don't know you. At least give me a month or 2.
Okay, so after 1 month, a man will propose to you.
Or 3.
Okay.
To at least first of all know you as a person.
But you don't feel no person finish.
I don't feel know you finish, but at least I suppose know something about you. You understand? I suppose know something about you. Aside from your name, I supposed to, if I date with you, if we spend time together, you go definitely know certain things about that person. I don't know if you understand. No come meet me like today, nah. Just they see me, I won't marry. Okay, slow down.
Because I don't see some guys they talk. So the moment they see their wife, the first day ever they see their wife, they say, now this lady I go marry. Say they don't already get that conviction.
You go get that conviction,
say,
but
this
you know
person
me
I
say
go marry.
you get that conviction, but you know me say that day when I go
now
marry.
you go propose to the person.
And now you go, at least get to know the person.
So for you now,
get to understand the person.
For you now, the shortest time now 3 months. After 3 months, the person
look, if like me now,
propose.
Like me now, if not the time where I be in my 20s,
yeah,
or my 30s, I feel say okay, fine, we do 6 months.
Okay.
But truthfully speaking, I don't get that luxury of time like that.
No.
So anybody where they come, first of all, you guys know what they do. You know what they do.
Mm-hmm.
You guys know what you want. No be try and error. If you carry try and error, come I beg they go. No, because I don't get that luxury for you to waste my time.
Yeah.
You know, I don't endure all of that one, and I know the last relationship in 2014, and I never
2014, 15, 16, 17, 19.
Wow. I never date anybody
since 2014.
That time.
Share people no come or
not be issue of people come, but okay. I know it's deep in my heart. Say if I enter that relationship with them, I go mess them up because I did very hurt from the last one.
Oh, you never heal.
I need to heal. I need to heal properly from that relationship so that when I date relationship with anybody, I date whole. I know they hurt. I know they unnecessarily suspicious.
Yeah.
Because of waiting that guy do me. I know they get all of those things.
So that you don't go feel if you go transfer aggression and everything on top of the new person.
Yeah, so I need the time. People don't come like that. The people will come now. People will just want chop and clean mouth, waka they go. So I used with God's help. I fit use that time, heal, understand myself, understand, okay, why this kind of pattern, people like say this pattern and they happen for marriage, why they happen. Now I can't go in for therapy because I can't discover, say, okay, things where I even go through as a child, as a teenager, they follow me inside adulthood. I don't deal with them. So all those things, now they make me, you go attract your own.
Yeah.
Once you don't date broken, I will tell people all the time, if as a pikin, you date broken, you go grow up into a broken teenager. From there, you go grow up into a broken adult. And once you be when you don't date broken, you know heal from that brokenness. You go they attract people, broken guys like you, they broken.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now fact of life. You go attract your own. Because I say, but I not be bad person now.
Yeah.
I know the people I know why guys they do this kind of things to me. So I can't find out that say now all those things where I go through as a picking where I know ever heal from. I don't deal with.
Yeah.
So those things still they unconsciously now. It don't create one kind, whether in a mindset or atmosphere around me. So now the people we go do me bad now they attract. So I start to deal with all those things. It's not easy at all. Because by the time you sit down, you remember some things. The kind cry, we go crying. Nobody no cry that time. But now just cry off. Now healing, number one.
Yeah. But
now he cry off. It's better you revisit the whole thing all
over again. And
it then necessary if you go heal.
Yeah.
You guys visit that. You guys acknowledge, say this thing happened. It happened to me. This is now how I feel when this thing happened.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't acknowledge, say this is how you feel. You can acknowledge that it don't happen. Now it's time to release forgiveness and move from it.
And talking about healing, I think a lot of people, they always forget to talk, say the healing stage, now a lonely stage.
No talk.
Because if they talk about healing, some say, you go pass through the healing stage, you just go out now, go watch movie, go do this. Sometimes that stage where we say you want heal, that time where you just
sometimes you just want day alone. I remember people they live before.
Yeah.
My neighbors know they know ideas unless I come out. So even if light day, they go this lady day house. You don't go anything until I come out. You there inside house? Inside. No, that time you just want that alone time to just process how everything happen, how you take go. You need that time to redo a lot of review on how the issues don't affect you, how it don't change you, and what you need to do to come out.
And what you don't learn.
What you don't learn. Me, I don't learn. No, I learn so many lessons.
I remember all those my few. I don't know if not few heartbreaks because people like say most of the time I mean they break hearts.
I need they serve breakfast. I mean they
but I don't say they never break my own heart too. But like I said, a few people though I was like, okay, that few heartbreak me I don't get, but Becca break hearts. I know him like but those few times they be say I get heartbreak. I remember say those healing time. And they like to hear some love songs.
I don't even carry love song. Come here, you.
But now love songs where they say I regret meeting you. I regret loving
Like
you.
the anger stage.
The anger
stage.
You understand? So now I remember that those kind of songs. So as I listen to this song, I could just imagine say the person there for my front. So
you go tell them everything.
I go put the lyrics of the song for my side. You know, they sing the song word for word. I would not do like this. They point at imaginary person. They point hand, and the person say you can go. I am fine without you.
You event.
You understand? So you don't say for healing. If person want heal after a lot of things, you know, everything gets stage.
It gets stage.
So anger to now one of the stage. So you go just they hungry.
You go vex. So why? And then in that period, the last guy, he buy me then DVD. Buy me DVD, conquering mini speakers, fix them. Say anytime my baby is bored, she can always watch a movie. Kini. So when I dey go through that period of heartbreak,
yeah,
I come out the DVD, come out everything weighing by give me. I can't come out. Now my neighbor say, Alpha, you won't sell them. I say, even if I sell them, how much I won't sell them for? I define who I won't give. You define who I won't give? I say, yes. I beg, give me. I say, you sure? She said, yes. That's why I give him. Give him the... My brother vex for me. That time, he no day with me. When he come meet me, he say, why you give him? I say, why not go give him? I don't want anything will go
remind me of this social person at all. I get you.
I don't want.
I get you.
I don't want at all. Not be say I no fit buy DVD. I fit buy him by myself.
I get.
But you know that joy of say, my guy buy something
for
me.
You. Yeah.
You know that kind of thing.
Yeah.
No. I say no. Anything at all. I delete the number. I block him. Till today, it's still they blocked on social media.
Well.
As and I get my reasons why because they get that sometimes that soft part you go once they go they check see everything they happen to this person. If they always they go check on your ex, you never
move on.
Never move on
at all.
You don't go ever move on if you continue like that. So to help me, before I block him, I message them. I say for everything where you do to me, for everything where you say to me, I forgive you. And I release you from my heart. I say, you know, they what keeping inside my heart, imprisoning inside my heart. You know what? I want my peace of mind.
Yeah.
I want total healing. Yeah. And if I go get that healing, then I gotta forgive you for everything you do me. I release you and I let you go.
You get something website I post for my page. Those where they follow me on Instagram. I posted one picture yesterday. So now for there I talk a lot of things. I can't talk say if you continue to decide not to know your worth and your value. If you don't know your worth and value, you go continue to give people discounts.
Yeah,
that's true. Just they give them discounts. They give them discounts because you yourself you don't know your worth. You don't know your value.
Now, Popsy don't. You know, I go talk and with Popsy. Popsy say if you know sabi who you are, people go tell you who you are at a price.
Yes, that price go be at even discount.
Yeah, the discounts.
Yeah,
you know?
So
I got tell myself that see what did this guy do me? It day enough. God forbid, say my enemy go there yaba left because he affects me so much. But I say waiting. Why I go allow human beings send me
to yaba
left for what? Or put me on hospital bed for waiting? Like that kind of thing go happen.
Yeah.
I must survive this. So the resolve they there to survive, but I also need to heal from all those things where Shelley. He gave a few times where we don't see, and the last time when you see me, in just they take style, they look me, they say maybe for a mind they say wow, see people like say you can't make statement. You say you look better.
I say
better than what? You say better than the last time I
left you. That's what it's supposed to be. That's what it's supposed to be.
You can't try the day around me. Say, okay, we'll see. Sweetie, we will see. Remember, they say, who is the cause with me? I know if you answer him. Thank God say, I don't block him. So any means of reaching me, you know, get them. Unless you go use another number, say you won't call you. But aside from that, nothing.
Okay, so well, for me, because somebody say, okay, maybe revisit the DJ Cuppy. 25 days. For me, I feel say it's too early.
It's too early.
For me, I think say it's still there early. Maybe I go try to sway to what Lady J talk. Say, okay, maybe probably after 3 months. Because even me, someone will call me Mommy Becca. Don't be say I be mommy like that, but it's how I know they're our side. So maybe I would do after 3 months. So after 3 months, if I don't know Wetin we actually do. I just want to say gentle sticks from my papa, Miss Lady J. This is actually the first time I'm hearing you on here talking about your private life. about your relationship. It's so emotional.
Aww.
Your best moment is loading soon.
Aww.
God will bring you the right person.
Amen. Thank you so much, Dental Sticks. I appreciate it.
All right, so before we go pack our load, or before I go pack my load, come out from inside the studio, he got one photographer. His name na Cassie. Cassie talk say in the heartbroken after he discover say he get 2 siblings. 4 years after a random woman tell him say he look like his son.
I don't understand.
So the guy, Cassie _Ivan on Twitter, he say this, you put the N word is unbelievable. I am too old to learn about a new sibling, let alone 2 in one day. You can't say in Papa really hide them from each other for 25 years.
Why?
Say I don't know whether to be impressed or today horrified. He said because some random lady just told for 2018 now in post and says some random lady just told me I look like her son, knowing how wild my dad is. Say that person feel actually they true. So now after since 2018 now the woman talker. So if I say he can't start the investigation by himself, he can't find out say be like say truthfully that woman's son now in sibling.
Wala wear Bone Street. No, not the Bone Street. Wala be like bicycle. What?
Now why they very very good?
Be this one
do
now?
Your background check. Make you not go fall in love with your sibling, or your sister, or your brother.
Somebody talk. I see somebody talk say in wife, na in cousin. Now what in talk?
In wife, now in cousin.
Now what things? So see now later when they don't marry, and then find out say
wow,
they be cousins.
Distant or
go be distant. I know if it be close cousins.
Now so if Papa saw in oath for everywhere. He saw in oath. So now after 25 years, say I get 2 other siblings.
Now one pastor say all men will go every state they dot their children. dot them. For Sokoto you dot one. For Kafanchan you dot one.
You drop another
for
one.
Kwara you dot one. Just they dot them all over the place.
Voila. The last time we say we go take. I don't know if now last week I talk about this Indonesia where they talk say the one ban tourists from fornicating.
Yeah.
Now last week
we talk about it.
So right now they say Indonesia don't talk say tourists will not be prosecuted under this their new law where they ban sex outside marriage. Over fear say if it destroy their holiday industry. So they say Indonesia now don't confirm say tourists no go they prosecuted under this law. Now last week the Southeast Asian country parliament and that last week they've been signed one legislation where approved jail term of up to a year for anyone where they catch say they do cheat on you outside wedlock, while cohabitation by unmarried couple they say that one too can also be punished with 6 months in prison. Now for their officials contact say this law aim to uphold Indonesia value for the world's largest Muslim majority nation. However, businesses like hotels, they don't voice out over this new law. One is say this could be detrimental to their tourism in Indonesia, where they always receive at least 16 million visitors. They received more than 16 million visitors for inside 2019. So now for that they come now they emphasize to reporters. They say they want to emphasize for foreign tourists. They say please come to Indonesia because you will not be charged with this article. So we will just keep our fingers crossed, because Bali, I don't see the videos of how Bali looks so beautiful. I never get money to go to Bali, but they don't come out and talk say this their new law no go affect tourists.
R&B, where you do?
I just imagine waiting go happen to their tourists.
Because I don't provoke. Which can't be that? R&B, no go affect tourists too. In case you won't go there.
R&B go with a wife. You don't go with side chick now with a wife. All right, now it's time for me to come up from inside the studio. Lord on there on top standby to carry us on to Tinkly News. You go catch me tomorrow again by 6 a.m. all the way till this very time for the middle edition of Money Run. So from me, Becca Bleeze, before I go, if you follow me on my Instagram at Becca Bleeze, BECCABLISSC. I beg you, Adon Vamos.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.